Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to upgrade your video editing software, now is the moment. Today, I'm sharing the latest Wondershare Filmora 14 coupon codes and discounts for 2025 so you can save up to 33% off and get one of the easiest, most feature-packed editors at the lowest possible price. And as always, I've included a special link in the description that automatically applies Wondershare's biggest available discount at checkout. No need to waste time searching for codes. Filmora 14 is the newest version of Wondershare's flagship editor, and it comes with powerful upgrades that make creating professional quality videos even easier. Here's why Filmora 14 is worth grabbing right now. AI-powered editing tools like Smart Cutout, AI Audio Stretch, and AI Copilot editing to save you hours of work. New effects, LUTS, and transitions to keep your videos looking fresh and modern. Enhanced performance for smoother editing, even with 4K and multi-track projects. Speech-to-text and text-to-speech tools to generate captions and voiceovers automatically. Cross-platform support so you can edit on Windows, Mac, and even mobile devices. Now here are the best Filmora 14 coupon codes and deals you can use right now. Filmora 33, save 33% on annual or lifetime Filmora 14 plans. Save 20 WM 20% off for first-time Wondershare customers. Flash F14, extra 10% discount during seasonal promotions like New Year, Prime Day, or Black Friday. And if you don't want to manually test codes, just click my special discount link in the description. It's always updated with Wondershare's best active deal and applies it automatically. Pro tip, if you're serious about editing, grab the lifetime plan during a sale. It's the best value in the long run because you won't have to worry about renewals or yearly subscription fees. So that's it. The best Wondershare Filmora 14 coupon codes and discounts for 2025. If you're ready to level up your video editing and save money, click the link in my description, grab your discount, and start creating with Filmora 14 today. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more software tips and video editing deals, and comment below telling me what kind of content you're editing. YouTube, TikTok, or short films, I'd love to know. Remember, professional video editing doesn't have to be expensive. With Filmora 14 and these coupon codes, you can edit like a pro and save big in 2025.